Greetings, folks. Pilot Pete coming to you from CES 2026 in Las Vegas, Nevada with more cool stuff found. We talk a lot about smart homes, but this time let's talk about the one system that can cause a lot of damage if it goes dumb on you: your water. We found a device that finally solves water monitoring without the headache. It's called the Hydrific Droplet. And whether you're in a single family home, a condo, or an apartment, this is the upgrade you need to prevent costly water damage and to help you keep track of your water usage. First off, the installation is exactly what we want to see. There's absolutely no pipe cutting, no plumbers, and no tools required. It's a non-invasive unit that fits right over your existing main water supply. Whether it's PEX, copper, or PVC, you just clamp it on and plug it in, and in about 5 minutes, you're live. You know it's working when the ultrasonic sensor glows blue, meaning it's actively sensing the flow past that installation point. And thinking of installation points, you're going to want to put it downstream of a water softener if you have one, and it uses 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi, not the 5 gigahertz band. The tech here is serious. It uses machine learning and high-resolution sensors to populate a comprehensive dashboard right on your phone. It actively tracks your consumption patterns to give you detailed insights into your plumbing health. It's sensitive enough to differentiate between a toilet flush, a shower, or a garden hose. In the app, you simply tag these events to train the system, so if you flush the toilet and tell the app that was a flush, it learns your home's specific signature. This leads to instant leak alerts because the system knows what normal looks like. Its algorithms can identify small hidden leaks, sudden pipe bursts, or just abnormal usage, alerting you before a minor issue becomes a major disaster. And yes, you get push notifications sent directly to your phone even if the app is closed. For those of you with a vacation home or a rental, the All Homes One Dashboard feature is a game changer that you can monitor usage across all your properties in one app, spotting leaks or high usage, whether you're at home, away, or somewhere in between. We saw a great case study from a user who realized their garden watering was out of control in June, and because they saw the data, they were able to install an auto shutoff timer, and it dropped their usage from massive spikes down to a manageable baseline. That's real money back in your pocket and a win for the environment. And for the home automation crowd, it integrates with Home Assistant via MQTT. For those of you that aren't tech engineers, MQTT is the protocol that lets your smart devices send messages to each other instantly. It ensures your water data lands right on your home dashboard without clogging up your network. You can grab the Hydrific Droplet for $229. Whether you're monitoring your main house or the cabin in the woods, this is the smartest upgrade you can make this year. Check them out at hydrificwater.com and stop paying for the water you aren't using. In other words, don't get caught.